Welcome back to DGPEDIA's Cybersecurity series. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that is shaping the future of cybersecurity: active defense. So, what exactly is active defense? Active defense refers to a proactive cybersecurity strategy that not only works to prevent unauthorized access and attacks, but also engages with threats in real time. Unlike traditional methods that mainly rely on firewalls and antivirus software, active defense employs advanced techniques like deception, threat intelligence, and automated incident response to combat cyber threats. The goal is to create a dynamic security posture that adapts to evolving threats, ensuring that organizations can effectively mitigate risks and minimize damage. Let's take a closer look through a real-world scenario involving an e-commerce platform. Imagine an online shopping website that routinely faces cyber attacks aimed at stealing customer data, including credit card information. Definitely a serious concern. To combat these threats, the company implements several active defense strategies. First, they establish a robust threat intelligence monitoring system. This real-time system keeps a watchful eye on the internet and even the dark web, alerting the cybersecurity team to any emerging threats specific to their industry. Next, they deploy deceptive tactics by using honeypots, decoy systems designed to mimic legitimate databases filled with enticing sensitive information. Whenever an attacker interacts with these honeypots, the security team receives immediate alerts, allowing them to analyze attack patterns without risking actual data. Then there's the implementation of automated response mechanisms. The e-commerce platform utilizes automated scripts that swiftly respond to unauthorized access attempts. For example, if the system detects unusual login behavior, such as multiple failed attempts, it automatically locks the account, notifies the security team, and initiates a verification process for that user. But it doesn't stop there. After neutralizing any threats, the cybersecurity team conducts thorough incident analysis. This step is crucial. It helps them understand how the attack took place, what indicators were present, and how they can bolster their defenses moving forward. By employing an active defense strategy, this e-commerce platform not only protects itself against immediate threats, but also gains invaluable insights into attack methods, ultimately increasing resilience against future cyber threats. In conclusion, active defense represents a vital evolution in the cybersecurity landscape, moving beyond traditional methods of protection to a more dynamic and responsive approach. By actively engaging with potential threats, organizations can better safeguard sensitive information, minimize the risks associated with cyber attacks, and adapt their defenses to an ever-changing digital environment. Implementing strategies such as threat intelligence monitoring, deception tactics, and automated incident responses not only enhances immediate security measures, but also fosters a culture of vigilance and adaptability within an organization. This proactive stance empowers cybersecurity teams to stay one step ahead of attackers, ultimately leading to a more resilient security posture. As we continue to navigate the complexities of today's cybersecurity challenges, embracing active defense will be crucial for organizations committed to protecting their assets and maintaining the trust of their customers. Thank you for joining us in our exploration of active defense in cybersecurity. Stay tuned as we delve into the essential elements of active defense and its critical role in enhancing security protocols. Our goal is to empower you with the insights needed to seamlessly incorporate these strategies into your cybersecurity practices. Discover all of DG Info's innovative solutions in the realm of active defense and threat management. Let's work together to shape the future of cybersecurity and strengthen our defenses against evolving threats in the digital landscape.